Hi guys! This week in science, we're going to start learning about plants. We're going to learn about the difference between structure and function in plants. We're going to learn what the structure of a plant is and what its function is. So, to start with, we're going to learn about a structure. A structure is a physical feature of a plant. An example of a structure would be the stem of a plant. So, the stem is a part of the plant. And there it is. All plants have a stem. Sometimes they're tall, sometimes they're short. If you look at a tree, the stem is the actual trunk. That's one of the structures of a tree. Now the function. So the function is what the job of that structure is. So what the structure is supposed to do. So for an example, the function of the stem is to hold the plant up, and it also transports food and water from the roots to the leaves. It's kind of like a straw between the roots and the leaves, but it also holds the plant up. Think about a tree with no stem or no trunk. It would just be roots with leaves on top of the roots. It's what's in between. So now we're going to talk about the different structures of plants. First, we have the roots. We know that roots are a structure of the plant, and the function of the roots is to, one, hold the plant in place. If we didn't have roots, then a tree would just fall over, or a flower in your flower bed could just blow away with a strong wind if it didn't have roots. So holding it in place is one of the functions of the roots. The other function of the root is to soak up water and minerals from the soil. Another structure of a plant is the stem, and we've already talked about the stem, and we know the function of the stem is to hold the plant up, and it also carries the water and minerals that the roots sucked up. It carries those water and minerals up to the leaves and the flower. A third structure of a plant is its leaves. The function of the leaves are to help the plant produce its own food. So plants, unlike people, are producers, and they can produce their own food, and that food is made in the leaves. That's the function of the leaves.